If you're watching this video, then you probably are wondering, who is this girl? What does she do? And can I do it too? Well, I'm glad you asked. My name is Nicole. Many of you guys might know me as Nicole with a Y or Coach Nicole. And I've been in the internet marketing space for over 12 years. And as a beginner, I spent so much time trying to learn how to make money online instead of learning how to actually build a business online, right? So just so you guys know, there's a big difference. Making money online is easy because sure, you can sell things like gently used furniture or designer handbags that are just collecting dust in your closet on the internet, like Mercari and Poshmark, right? You know, you can definitely make money, but that's not something that will make you money every single day necessarily, because it's just not a sustainable business model. So in my 12 years of making money online, one of the most valuable things that I learned is knowing the difference between having a side hustle and having an online business that pays daily like a business. Back in 2018, I took a course and it taught me how to start my own social media marketing agency, and I paid $500 for it. And you guys, it literally catapulted my career from struggling to make money online to clients paying me $1,000 or more every single month for my marketing and advertising services. So essentially, I went from side hustler to freelancer to advertising agency owner, and I have mentored hundreds of entrepreneurs, okay? And even though I was making money online like this and this every single day, weekly, and even on a monthly basis, I started to find myself completely drained. Like, I had those moments where I felt like I would be better off working a 9 to 5. And honestly, this year in 2023, I found myself starting to burn out. I was juggling all of my clients on top of trying to scale my own business, get physically fit, which I've lost 40 pounds so far. And, it just all became so overwhelming, especially with someone who actually struggles with ADHD. One of my friends, she introduced me to the idea of just selling informational digital products on the internet. And honestly, it makes so much sense because it would give me the opportunity to make more money by working less, right? So no more 4-hour Zoom sessions, every single day. No more having a calendar being booked up with people who want to pick my brain. Guys, that's free consultations. And finally, no more chasing down clients to pay their invoices on time. So after much hesitation, trust me, there was a lot of it, I went ahead, I paid the $497. And to be honest, I was still thinking in the back of my mind that this course was going to be full of fluff and hype like most of these online mentors, because let's be for real, y'all. I've been in this industry for 12 years and I have seen some straight up garbage courses and ebooks and other digital products out there. But, I went ahead, I took the chance, started going through the course just to see for myself how solid the information is. And I was immediately reminded of the $500 course that I bought in 2018 that completely changed the trajectory of my career 5+ years ago. Y'all, the value, the community, and the income, it just makes sense. I got so much clarity, and it reminded me of what the great Zig Ziglar said: you can have everything in life you want if you will just help other people get what they want. And fun fact, that has been my email signature since 2018, because as I'm sending out those emails, it serves as a reminder to me to remain, surrendered to the call of my life. And I understand that I was put here to use my gift to help people create generational wealth and break free from living paycheck to paycheck. And you guys, my eyes were so opened in 2017 when I got laid off after Hurricane Irma. I was working as a skip trace private investigator intern, and my goal was to fulfill my 2 years as an intern, become a private investigator. But after being laid off, I realized that, it was just time to stop playing with my potential and just actually go all in with my business, because at the time I was an affiliate marketer. Already, I was providing Shopify drop shipping services, right? And I wouldn't be here today, honestly, if I didn't just stay hungry and open to new opportunities. So with that being said, I'm dedicating myself to help 1,000 people in the next year make an extra $500 a week with no experience, no degree, no LLC in the digital marketing industry. So if you've ever thought about starting a podcast or writing a book or starting a YouTube channel, or maybe you've looked up how to make money online, whether it's with blogging or starting a boutique of some sort, this is the roadmap. So there's a couple different ways to get paid with the digital marketing blueprint, and I'm going to tell you about 4 of them today. Number 1, you can start a business selling digital products, and digital products are basically just courses, ebooks, coloring pages, anything that's delivered through email, right? And the roadmap teaches you how to market your business online, how to set up your webpage, do email marketing, how to create content, how to do ads, and so much more. And the beautiful thing about digital products is that you can either create your own or you can purchase a digital product that includes reseller rights. And here's a hint: once you grab this roadmap, this can be your very first product. Yep, that's right. As soon as you purchase it, you'll receive a certificate that gives you master resale rights. Okay, so the second way that you can get paid is if you have an existing business already. Maybe you're just lacking systems and automations, right? So this is a blueprint that's going to help you build out your brand awareness and increase your sales overall, okay? The third way to make money with the roadmap is to just go through it and get a good understanding of it, okay? Because you could potentially start offering marketing services just like I've been doing to other business owners as a freelancer, or maybe you can go all the way and start a marketing agency. Remember, guys, I didn't plan on having a marketing agency. I didn't plan on having a marketing career. I just got good at it because I fell into some online business and I wanted to learn how to make money with it. So once they saw that I was good with it, people started wanting to pay me. They came after me. They asked for the help, right? And then they planted that seed, and eventually it turned into a coaching business, a marketing agency, things like that, right? So another route, which is number 4, that you could take is to coach solopreneurs and hold their hand through the process in the roadmap. You guys, it's called the roadmap for a reason, okay? Some people don't want to take a course though, right? Some people just want that one-on-one customized help. And trust me, they are more than willing to pay the big bucks for private coaching. My signature one-on-one coaching program called Facebook Ads Therapy is a $5,000 program. And you guys, I can literally make $10,000 per month with just 2 clients every single month. It's a 4-week program. So when you decide to take the plunge into the world of digital marketing, I want you to be open because there's so many sectors in this industry, and I want you to know you will find your place. Whatever your vision is, whatever your dream is, whatever your calling is, you can make it happen with the right amount of dedication, support, and education. And honestly, I wish I had this course 12 years ago. I would be retired at 32 years old. My parents would be retired, and my entire family would just be taken care of, honestly. And there's people, you guys, who have never heard about the digital marketing industry. They don't even know really what it is. And they were scrolling on TikTok or Instagram, and they came in out the gate making like $10,000 in a week. So don't think that I've only been successful in this venture because of the amount of years that I've put into this. I had to struggle and I pieced it all together, but this blueprint is the blueprint of everything that I had to figure out on my own. You guys, literally $1 million worth of game is being handed to you on a platter for $4.97. So if you have any questions about payment plans or how you can make this work for you, shoot me a message, okay? I'd love to have a conversation with you. Thank you for watching, and I'm rooting for you.